Get the damn light in the way. I was finally able to get the friggin' clamp all set up on it. And we're in there. But, I mean, I just got resonator and up over the axle. I didn't put the muffler on it yet. Well, I did. I had it on there before, but I figured, you know, I might be able to... Stupid light screwing me up. Might be able to get a cutout up in here. I hope so. She makes some nice snorting noises, though, I'll tell you that. You don't need that. I ain't even got a check engine light. That's amazing. Yeah. Yowly howly. And then for a little comparo, I threw the muffler-o on there-o. So let's see here. How's old Bacher sounding? Quiet, quiet, quiet over there. Very important what we're doing here. Make Bacher noises, man.